Alright, I've already vacuumed the carpet. Just vacuumed the carpet a little while ago. So I've gotten this new Amazon product. And it is an Uproot Clean Max. We have 2 cats. 2 dogs. I want to show y'all. This is what our Dyson carpet cleaner, which is amazing, cannot lift up out of our carpet, but this tool does. OMG. I bought it the multi-pack that has the mini, the mid-size, and then the large. People, if you want to get rid of pet hairs, just bought this cat hair remover. It's kind of hard to see because let's pick a different blanket. All right, let's see if it works. Okay, interesting. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Does it work on this too? Kinda. Let's see. It says not to use. So you can kind of tell I've done that side. This side has not been done yet. I do this about once a month with this crazy tool. I just squeeze it. And everybody's interested. It's not hard, it's just kind of tedious. You get nasty hair. And look at that.
The little Uproot in action. If you have carpet and dogs or cats, this is an easy way.
This little thing, OMG, look at all that hair that is coming out. Wow.